Hello my beauties and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back today with a brand new makeup tutorial on this lovely look right here. So for today's look, as you can tell by the title of this video, it's all about the lashes and bold lips. This look is perfect if you are in a rush and you just have to throw a look together really quick. I think that lashes really bring a look together and you don't even have to do much to your eyeshadow. You can even have no eyeshadow on and throw on a pair of lashes and you will look bomb. And then everybody knows that a bold lip just ties a look together. So if you guys would like to see how I got this beautiful look right here, then just keep watching and we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. All right guys, so we are starting off with our face today, and lately my face has been feeling a little bit on the dry side. So I first want to go in with this Laura Mercier foundation primer. Then I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Hangover Primer. And then I like to go in with my Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss. Now, I know everybody's on this craze about lip fillers, but I honestly don't see myself doing that. Like, I just can't see that's something that I would do, getting lip injections just to make my lips bigger. So if you don't want to go through all of that, then I recommend this lip injection. It's just a gloss and it kind of just plumps your lips up and makes them look a little bit fuller. So when you put it on, it does have like a tingling kind of burning sensation to it, but that's just how you know that it's working. So you guys know me, I usually like to start off with my eyes first before I go in with foundation, but today because we're not doing anything crazy on our eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with foundation first. And I'm using my favorite Huda Beauty Faux Filter. And if you guys are wondering, I am in the shade Gingerbread. For concealer, I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Biscuit. And we're going to conceal under our eyes. And I'm also going to use this as eyeshadow primer. And then you quickly want to set your concealer so it doesn't crease. So I'm going to do that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I just like to let that sit for just a few seconds. And then I just kind of like pat it in and then brush away the excess. And then to set my eyelids, I like to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette for that. I don't know why, it's just a preference. I mean, you could totally set it with the same translucent powder, but this is just my routine and what I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that first highlighting shade right here. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Powder. And this is in the shade number 9. So I'm gonna take that on my Sigma F30 brush. I'm just going to set. So I'm quickly going to do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. All right, so now that our brows are done, we can jump straight into eyeshadow. So for today's eye look, I'm going to be jumping into my Colored Rain palette. So using my Morphe R37 brush, I'm going to dip into the shade Royal Prerogative right here. We're gonna start blending that into our crease. I'm just gonna zoom you guys in just because I feel like we're a little far away. All right, and then going in now with my Morphe M576. We're now going to dip into the shade Duchess, which is a little bit of a darker brown. Slowly going to work that in the crease as well, but keep it kind of low. Now for our lid color, I'm going in with this Sigma E55. It's just a flat shader brush, and we're going to dip into the shade Princess, which is this really, I can't talk today, which is this really pretty matte pink shade. And we're just going to pat that on to the lid. And I'm going to go into the shade Royal Highness, which is this sparkly pink champagne color. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of that right on the inner corner. And going back to that Morphe M576, I'm just gonna dip back into a little bit of that dark brown Duchess, just so we can kind of blend the edges out right here. And that is it for the eyes, you guys. Can you believe that? How fast and simple that was? So we're gonna go into lashes, and you guys already know, nothing new. I'm using Flutter lashes in the style Intoxicating, my favorite lashes ever. So for lash glue, I like to use the House of Lashes eyelash glue, and this is the clear one. I remember when I first started doing makeup and I never used to wear lashes, and I always used to be like, why do people wear fake lashes? Like, I could never do that. I don't see why you have to wear fake lashes. Just throw some mascara on and you're good to go. But I just used to say that because I didn't know how to put lashes on, and it just seemed so hard. Like, I used to watch other people put lashes on and it used to look so quick and easy, and I tried it out and then I was horrible at it. So I was just like, you know, whatever, screw that. I'm not even gonna try with these lashes. But once I, you know, learned how to put them on, then it just made such a difference. Like, it honestly takes your eye look to a whole nother level. And honestly, it's just like practice. Like, practice makes perfect, and you just have to keep doing it a few times, and then you get like, you just have to keep doing it a few times, and then honestly it just comes to you really quickly. The trick is about putting lashes on is like, you have to make sure that you trim your lashes so they fit your eye shape, because everyone's eye shape is different. So you have to cut them to make sure that they match the length of your eyes. And then when you're putting your lash glue on, you have to let the glue dry. I think that's one of the biggest mistakes that people make, is they don't let their glue dry to the point where it's tacky enough, and they just kind of put it on and then the lashes are sliding all over the place. So you really have to let it dry, so that way when you put it on, it's tacky and it sticks and it like holds. So while the lash glue is drying, we're just gonna go ahead and pop some mascara on. Well, first I'm actually gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna go in with mascara, and I'm using the Dior Show mascara. So while that's still drying, I want to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. I'm just going to dip into the Colored Rain palette again. I'm going to go into this shade Air. It's just a matte, like, beige color. And we're gonna use that to highlight. I don't want to do anything crazy on the eyes today, or any type of crazy highlight, because I really want the lashes to really stand out. I just want to bring a little bit of light to this brow bone. I'm also gonna hit that right here. So now that our lashes are dry, we can pop these bad boys on. Lashes are on, and then to hide that lash band, I'm just gonna go in with my Tarte Double Take eyeliner with the liquid side and just run it right on top of that lash band. Even though we're wearing fake lashes, we want it to look as natural as possible. So for our lower lash line, I'm just gonna go in to this Morphe Y20 brush. It's a small pencil brush. And I just want to dip in to Royal Prerogative and Duchess. A little bit of both, like boop, boop, dip my brush in both. I'm just gonna slowly run that on the lower lash line. Add some mascara. So my favorite mascara for my lower lash line is the MAC Extended Play MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. It has a super fine wand, so it really gets nice and tight on those bottom lashes. Then I'm going in with that Tarte eyeliner again with the pencil side, and I just want to run that a little bit right on my waterline. And I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. I'm gonna stop like right here. For blush, I'm going in with the Anastasia Blush Trio. And I'm going to take that on my Sigma F10 brush. And I want to go in with this, the lightest shade. It's called Desert. I'm going in with my Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. I want to go in with the shade Gumdrop right here, and this is a little bit more of a pinky highlight. So I'm going to take that on my Morphe M501. Then I'm also going to highlight my nose using my Morphe E36. I'm going to take that, put a dot, a line right down the middle. And speaking of nose, oh my god, I can't believe that I forgot to contour my nose. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm taking this Morphe E22 brush and I'm going to dip into this middle shade right here. So now for the star of the show, our lips. I'm going to line them first with this Urban Decay Glide On Lip Pencil. This is in the shade Checkmate. I'm going to fill them in using MAC in the shade Pink Pigeon. Just as bright pink. And then for a little extra pout, I'm going to take this Lancome lip gloss, and this is in the shade Forever Pink. It's like a shiny metallic light pink. And to lock everything in place, I'm going in with my Too Faced Peach Matte Setting Spray. Just want to shake it up a little. And that's our completed look. I'm gonna go ahead and change and I will be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final result. I hope that you guys like it. As you can see, it was really quick, simple, and easy. And I just think a look like this is something that's very wearable for running errands, or even if you have to go out for, like, let's say dinner or lunch or something like that really quick. So don't forget, if you guys aren't ready, to hit that subscribe button at the bottom. Also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that notification bell so that way you guys never miss a video when I upload. Also, don't forget to leave me your thoughts, your comments down below in the comment section. And I just want to say, as always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I will catch you in my next video.